Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to code for the all 4 options for each questions. So here you can see all the 8 questions I have already done the coding. So the video will take long if I show all the questions coding. So I will show only the remaining 2 questions, question 9 and 10. So first of all you have to write the correct answer in a journal, and then you have to only choose the button, exact button name. So here you can see we have done till question number 8. Question number 8 option 1 when it is clicked, or question number 8 option 2. Likewise for other options also. So here let's start the execution and check whether the user is able to see the final score or not, right? Let's hide this. So till question number 8 we have done the coding, and for each correct answer you will get 5 points, and for each wrong answer you will lose your 2 points. Okay, so let's start. So also when the user is clicking any option, the color of the button is going to change to blue color. Okay, so we are doing till question number 8. And I have also added a last screen which will show the score, final score. Okay, question 9 and 10 we haven't done the coding, so we will not select, just simply click on next and then submit the quiz. And now when you will click the final score button, this is a button, okay, and this is a label. So you can see the final score is 12. So after calculating all the points, the final score is 12. So let's do the coding for the 2 questions. So question number 9, what is the motto of Sikkim? Answer is C, right? And for question number 11, it is also C. So now you just have to duplicate the blocks that we have already used. So there are lots of space, you just have to drag and adjust. Okay, so question number 8, we are just duplicating this block. And now we have to select for question number 9 option 1. So the naming of all the buttons is very important. You can easily find the right button. So when question number 9 option is clicked, option A is clicked, it will decrement the score by 2, and also it will set the background color to blue. Okay, and here you have to also change the button name. Question number 9 option 1. So make sure that you are changing the button's name correctly, and also the incrementation or the decrementation. Okay, so question number 9 option 1. Likewise for option 2 also you have to do all the 4 options. So our third option is correct, so we will increment the point by 5. Though it is lengthy, but you have to do it. So here is the option 2, and now we also have to change the button name for the background color. And now we will duplicate the increment block here, and this is for option 3, question number 9 option 3. So increment, and here also we have to change the button name to question number 9 option 3. Okay, and for the last option we have to decrement the value. Here incrementation will be not there, so you have to decrement the value. So put this in the dustbin. and duplicate this block and just put it here. Okay, so question number 9 is done. And now for question number 10. So you remember that question number 10 option 3 is correct. So for the remaining option we will decrement. And also how to create the variable. I just forgot that how to create the variable. First of all, you have to create a variable from these options here, from the categories controls, variable. So first you have to set the variable, and here you have to create a new variable. Okay, and that variable will be score, like I have already created here, score. Okay, and now after creating this variable you have to select program, and then this one I will show you the blocks, exact block. Like here, when program start, you need to set the score to 0. Okay, so you have to drag the block set score to 0 from the variable here, this one. Okay, and you need to change the variable name to score. Okay, and after that we are using the variable score in almost all the buttons. That's it. Okay, and lastly, in the last screen, scoreboard screen, you have to make a button. Like here I have told you, this one, this is a button, name shows show score, and this is a label, final score. So for this you have to set the code as, I will show the code so that you can be, the final score can be visible, this one. So whenever this show score is clicked, you have to drag the label element from here in the app category. You need to select label and you need to drag this one, just I have done. You need to remove the hello and you need to put the score here. How to put the score? From the control category, go to variable, and here this one, my variable, and now you need to change this variable name to score, and not the test, you need to choose the label name that you have kept for the final score, that is our final score, this one. Okay, so I have done this one. Now for the last question we will do the remaining coding. Question number 9. Okay, so let's duplicate it and now select the question number 10. Question number 10, option 1. So our third option is correct, so we will do it this one. Option 2. Here also option 2. And now we will duplicate the increment block for option 3. So here we will select question number 10, option 3. Here also option 3, question number 10. And for the last option we will duplicate this one. Okay, so the coding is done. Let's start the execution. Okay. So as you can see, the user can select the options and the score is also getting calculated. Now the final score is 29. So this much you have to do for all the questions and all the 4 options for all the 10 questions. Okay. So first of all, you need to create the variable, that is score variable, and also the program block. When program starts, you need to set the score variable to 0. Okay. And the last screen, you just have to add one button and the label to show the final score. You can also decorate by adding more images and all. Okay. You can also add a label in the first screen that enter your name, and that name will be displayed in the scoreboard like we have done earlier in the berry game. Okay.